Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can move a sketch in Onshape. So this will be easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, do a sketch, and let's say I will sketch something fast, so I will add random objects into sketch. Now add some dimensions to make it fully defined. So I will add some dimensions, and now to move the sketch, what we'll need to do is basically go right here on this drop down menu and select transform. Now you'll need to select a sketch and you'll get this controller, as you can see, and now you'll basically be able to move that and move in different directions. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to leave a comment down below for the algorithm, subscribe for the guide to everything, and like this video. See you in the next one. Peace.